Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Alolan Ninetales in Pokémon Unite. This Pokémon is a powerful ranged attacker, specializing in crowd control and area damage. Your primary goal is to keep enemies at a distance while applying continuous pressure. Always maintain good positioning to maximize your abilities and stay safe from opposing Pokémon. Focus on supporting your team by freezing and slowing down key targets. Alolan Ninetales has powerful abilities. Aurora Veil creates a defensive zone, reducing damage taken and boosting your basic attacks. Blizzard deals significant area damage and pushes enemies, making it excellent for zoning. For held items, consider Wise Glasses to boost your special attack, and Energy Amplifier to reduce your Unite move cooldown and increase its damage output. These items enhance your offensive capabilities. During the early game, focus on efficiently farming wild Pokémon to gain experience and level up quickly. Use your basic attacks to harass opponents in your lane, keeping them from scoring or farming effectively. Always prioritize securing important objectives like Corphish and Apum, as these provide valuable experience and buffs for your team. Coordinate with your lane partner for successful early game plays. In the mid and late game, your role shifts to participating in teamfights and controlling major objectives like Zapdos or Rayquaza. Deploy your Unite move, Snow Globe, strategically to deal massive area damage and turn the tide of battle. Always stick with your team, providing crucial crowd control and damage from a safe distance. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Your positioning is vital for success in these critical moments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.